Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Nongkitkam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka National People's Party NPP hapo ka Nongïalam jong National President Conrad K. Sangma ubadai ru mentirang ba ka Jylla Meghalaya ka lapenlong ya ka National Committee meeting but ka annual General Meeting AGM ha Orchid Resort mau kasiang New Shillong Township ha ka Praterik Jylla Arajara Punrio. Ha kani ka Nongïalam lai syong ka Jingekran halo ka Jingya inti sain perthai jong ka party ka jingpen klan ya ka Jingya lang bat ki Jingekun na election ki banwan ha ka than chatai lamingi bat ha ki wei pat ki Jylla. Ka AGM kalam menjuri ka resolution ba pair ki bala thmu ban pen klan ya ka sinsyar pai ba ka jingwanra syongsuk ha ka thai North East ka jingeda ya ki hok trairi but ka jingwanra ya ka roi kapar ka bakan thup lang ya baro hapo ka jingthmu ka North East 2047 gateway to prosperity. Conrad Sangma ulo ong baka North East ka de ka benta ka bakong san na ka benta ka laway jong kari India but ki policy ki babyang ka thain kala banlong ka balat Shakaroi kapar chongkari bro kawai. Ula banjuru halo ka jingpen klan ya ka party ha Manipur bat ki wei pat ki Jylla. Da ka bakentu ya ki Nongïalam ban le ya kendu pai ba khambun sien ha ki snong ki thau. Ha ka Nongïalam lai simentaru da ki khot jong ka party na palat ka South League Jylla ka bapen pau ya ka jinghe bat ka jingroi state ka NPP hari India.
One was congratulating him for the nomination he filed, which was at the beginning on the opening remarks. And it rarely happens that now in my closing remarks, once again I'm mentioning that he is actually Rajya Sabha MP elect. So congratulations to our working president on behalf of the entire general body who are present out here today. Having said that, I'm again very happy to see the growth that we have seen in the party and the organization in the past years. I very fondly speak about this memory of mine which started in Manipur in 2016 when late P.S. Sangmaji and myself had gone to organize the National People's Party. I still remember it was around January 14th, 15th, 16th. And this was just about 2 months before he passed away. And I remember that we were just two of us sitting in the room, and we had gone to organize the party, and ultimately only 2 people came to join the party that day. That was the beginning of NPP in Manipur, and I was very disappointed. I told my father after they left that I'm so sad that only 2 people came. And then my father is always the optimist that, and even in the most extreme situations, he said that, well, it's a great beginning. It's a great beginning. We got 2 people. And from 2 people today, Manipur, in the last election, we got 17% votes in the election. And we got 7 MLAs. And most of them are here with us today. And that is how politics moves forward. And that is how organizations grow, and it's never going to be a very smooth and happy ride. It's always going to be ups and downs in politics, just like it is in life. But today, to look back at that time and today be sitting here in this AGM, in this very formal setup, with members coming all the way from Kerala, joining us and being here, and from Tamil Nadu and so many other states, from Bihar, from Jharkhand, from West Bengal, things we could never imagine. And I'm taken back to that moment when we were in Manipur, when 2 people joined us, and I was depressed, but my father was happy. It reminds me of the times, and today we're starting the small steps in these different states, but I'm sure these small steps is a step towards much larger goals and much larger outcome in the days to come, even in these other states beyond the northeastern states that we have right now. So thank you so much for making this what it is today. The National People's Party very proudly today stands at being one of the few national parties at the national level, and we have a very unique space because, we are one of the youngest national parties, and definitely we are one of the few parties that is, as of now, constituted because of the states in the Northeast. But I'm hoping that will expand in the days to come. And many people are quite keen and interested to join the party. And, I don't want to go into details, but of course our president from Kerala, was privy to some of those communications I had a few months back before the election of a lot of movement taking place politically, of a lot of individuals who wanted to join the party then, and you'd be surprised if you were ever to hear the names, which of course I can't tell you. But that's how politics is. And that's how people today perceive the National People's Party. And even today, there's so many people who are happy to join us. Again, reflecting the kind of acceptability that we have as a party. Again, reflecting the kind of hope that people see in our party. And again, reflecting the kind of, commitment that we share towards the people in a very genuine manner. And that's what really makes any political party effective, and a party that can actually be a party that will grow in the future. So I will not take much time, but once again, I really thank all of you. It's been a very, very long day. And I must thank all the individuals who have made this meeting what it is today. It is because of the hard work put in by our national committee, whether it's our working president or the general secretaries or our national secretary, Mr. Saidul, and others who have made all of this possible. So I thank all of you for making this AGM a possibility. And at the end, I have only one word or of advice that I would like to share with you. And again, I'm just saying it with whatever little experience I have had in politics and seen politics from a young age, and especially following a person like late P.S. Sangma. And that is that at the end of the day, politics is not easy. And there are very, very conflicting, positions that you will have. You'll have a lot of challenges, and sometimes that something is right, but you'll not be able to move forward in it. At the same time, sometimes you know that something is not right, but yet you have to move ahead with it. And sometimes the two positions that you hold, as say a party and as a legislature, or maybe as a minister, may not be, all the positions may not actually meet eye to eye. And therefore, as a politician, we play a very, very complicated balancing act in trying to take things forward. So what I'm trying to say is that a politician's life is very, very difficult, filled with difficult choices and filled with complications that, can never have a right answer to it. But there's one thing that I have always seen and I've always believed, that at the end of the day, whatever situation you face, if you are able to keep a basic principle, and that principle being that whatever I do, is it good for my people? Is it good for the people that I am representing? Is it good for the people for whom I am working? I think that small principle can help you make a lot of difficult decisions in your life, and they make it, it comes out quite naturally then. And sometimes, as I said, definitions come in, of course, that who are your people and who are not. But those are issues, again, that are relative situations. But please, as a party, the only way that we can move forward is if we keep the people ahead of us. So in all the decisions we make as a political party, in all the concerns that we raise, we must always believe and we must always keep in mind that the people will be first. Not position, not power, not money, not any other factor, but the right and the importance to the people who we serve. And if we can do that, I believe that we will make the right choices in life and in politics. And I believe that that will lead us to becoming a stronger party in the days to come. I once again thank all of you for coming here for this meeting, and I wish you all the very best for the future. Politics is not easy. Running an organization and a party is not easy. And especially a young party like ours, there will be huge challenges.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi panai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.